the school year starts wrapping up, things tend to get busy. You've got field trips, end of year events, collecting payments, permission forms. It all stacks up pretty quickly. So, in this video, I'll show you simple ways teachers are using payable forms to keep all of that organized in one place. At a high level, Payable Forms lets you take a regular Google form and add payments directly to it. So instead of sending multiple emails, permission slips home, or tracking things separately, everything happens through one digital form. Let's start with a really common one: field trips. You can create a form where parents fill out permission details, emergency contact info, and any medical notes, and then right at the end, they pay the trip fee. Once they submit, Payable generates a unique invoice for their order, which they can securely submit payment for directly on their invoice page. Payable supports payments via Stripe, Square, PayPal, Rapid, and Razorpay, all of which accept credit cards and a variety of other tenders depending on the provider, like Cash App or Venmo. With Payable, you can automatically add taxes or a handling fee to your orders, so you're covered on all bases. Then, all of that order information and the payment details shows up in your spreadsheet automatically, so you're not chasing forms or wondering who's paid. The same idea works really well for end of year events. If you're organizing graduations, selling prom tickets, or collecting money for things like caps and gowns, you can handle all of it through a single form. Parents just open the link, fill it out, pay, and they're done. You can also use this for smaller things that add up, like pizza days, classroom supplies, or fundraisers. Instead of tracking orders in one place and payments in another, or juggling cash and checks in your spare time, everything stays connected. So you always know who ordered what and whether they're paid. And honestly, this is where it really helps at the end of the year. You've got a lot going on already. So having everything in one place just cuts down on the back and forth. Less chasing people, less manual tracking, and fewer surprises. If you're already using Google Forms, this is a really easy way to add payments and simplify your workflow. So if you're heading into the final stretch of the school year, it's definitely worth trying out. To give Payable Forms a try, watch our Getting Started tutorial shown here and check out the resources below in the video description. Have a question? Chat with us at support.payableapps.com. Thanks for watching.